Have you ever wondered how airplanes stay up in the air? It's all about science. Today, we are going on a flight adventure to learn about scientific method using something simple, something fun, paper airplanes. So, let's go!
Notice something, different paper airplane design fly different distance. Some soars, others flap.
So now, we are going to conduct the interview to ask this question. What paper airplane design flies the farthest? So for us to answer this, let's go and find people to help us. Let's go!
For our hypothesis, we have three different paper plane. First one is the pointed nose airplane. The second one is longer wings airplane. And the third one is specific point airplane, special plane.
So now for the experiment, we'll build each airplane carefully following the same instruction for each. So we'll conduct multiple test flights for each design. Measuring the distance each plane flies, it's important to throw each plane the same way to keep the experiment fair.
So today nakahanap na tayo ng isang kuya na makakatulong sa atin upang malaman at masagot yung tanong natin kung ano nga ba sa tatlong paper plane ang may mas malayo maililipad. So kuya, buddy! Ano din sa tingin mong design ang mas may malayo maililipad? Pwede mo siyang i-check para matignan mo.
Sige po, check ko po. Sa tingin ko ito.
Ang pointed nose. Bakit sa tingin mo yan ang mas may malayo maililipad?
Kasi pag pointed nose kasi ano siya mahaba siya, tas parang ano yung air sa kanya, hindi napipigilan ng hangin yung paglipad niya. Kaya siguro I think so mas malayo ang mararating nito. Kaysa dito sa iba na flat siya, kasi pag flat siya is pwede siyang pumunta sa iba or lumayo. Ganon din ito kasi ito meron siya nito sungay kung ano man to. Napipigilan niya yung paglipad ng isang
So, tignan natin kung tama ba ang sabi ni Buddy na ang pointed nose daw ba ang may mas malayo maililipad na airplane. So, tara na!
Itatry natin siya lahat. So, unahin natin itong longer wings. Itong longer wings. And next is the specific fold. Tatry din natin siya. And the last one is yung ating napili, which is pointed nose.
So ito na po ang pangalawa at pangatlo nating i-interview. So sa inyong dalawa, sa tingin nyo, alin sa tatlong design ang may mas malayong maililipad at bakit? Ikaw naman po. Why? Okay, thank you. So tingnan po natin kung tama ang kanilang mga napili.
Specific point. Pointed nose. Specific point. Pointed nose. Longer wings.
Ito yung specific fold. Try natin. Next one is longer wings. So ito yung napili ko. Pointed nose.
panglima natin na A. So sa tingin mo, anong aeroplano ang pinakamalaki mo araw?
Out of 3, siguro itong specific code yung
Pinakamalaki mo araw. Bakit?
kasi ano siya, construct, hindi ka tulad ng
Sige, tingnan natin. Kung tama ang iyong napili.
ito yung pointed nose. Tapos ito naman yung longer wings. Tapos ito naman yung napili ko na specific code.
So, we already collected our data. And here's a table showing the flight distance for each design. Makikita rin sa video na nakaka-affect ang tamang pagbato at hangin kung saan mapupunta at gaano kalayo ang mararating ng isang airplane. Here's a bar graph to easily compare the results. Notice how we've averaged the results from multiple trials to get a more reliable results. Our experiment showed that design pointed nose flew the farthest, averaging 2.45 meters, significantly outperforming design specific fold, which achieved only averaging 1.2. This doesn't mean design B and C are failures. Rather, it highlights the nature of the scientific method. The key takeaway isn't just which design flew farthest, but the process of observation, hypothesis, experimentation, and analysis we use to reach this conclusion. The scientific method isn't just about getting the right answer. It's about learning and improving through experimentation. Now, it's your turn. Try building your own paper airplanes and see how far you can make them fly.